Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name is April Garrett, and I'm the publisher of the Seniors Blue Book of Greater Pittsburgh. We are joined today by Cynthia Gartman, the publisher of Seniors Blue Book in South Central PA. We have Tim Sechler, attorney with Sechler Law Firm, and we also have Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo and Associates. How are you all doing today?
Doing real well.
Great.
Thanks for having us.
Great.
Good. Thanks, April.
So for our viewing audience, I just want to share with you that we are starting a 5-week educational elder law series that is going to take place every Thursday at 1 p.m. Our 5-week series is going to lead up to a 1-hour session titled How to Not Go Broke in a Nursing Home, which is going to be released on Thursday, November 16th. So today, the topic of this discussion is going to be on power of attorney. So why don't we start with you, Tim, and why don't you share with us the importance of power of attorney?
Sure, awesome. This is a lot of fun, and the event on the 16th is going to be a lot of fun too. So the power of attorney document, just broad strokes, is a document that shifts control in the event that I become incapacitated later, right? So this is a lifetime document. And I can say my spouse, my kid, my whomever can be my decision maker in the event I can't make decisions. Now, this is probably, and Jeff can chime in on this in a second, but this is probably like the most important document in a lot of the state plans. If you don't have one, you're probably wrong. You probably need to get a power of attorney. I personally think everybody over the age of 18 should have a power of attorney. The second thing to consider on a power of attorney is if you have one, you should read it. There are some key provisions in there that we'll talk about in the hour-long session that you really need to have. So like a lot of the time when we're working with a family where one spouse is in the nursing home, one spouse is healthy out in the community, we need to be able to really move money around in order to try to protect them. And those moves that we make in those instances need to be authorized by the power of attorney. And all too often, the documents that we review coming through the door are really drafted to sort of help grandma keep the lights on and pay the bills, but they're not really drafted with enough legal muscle to be able to shift the assets around and do what we need to do to be able to save your house, for example. So I think that this is a key. It's one of the biggest mistakes I see people making is either not having a power of attorney or not having a good power of attorney. I don't know, Jeff, what do you have something to add on that?
No, I mean, I couldn't have said it better. That's the number one most important document in my mind that should be the base of every estate plan. Be careful of those do-it-yourself packets or the real estate attorney who did grandma's settlement 45 years ago. You need that muscle, as Tim said in the document, or when you need it, it's not going to be there for you.
Yeah, that's all I have for it. I'm looking forward to doing the thing on the 16th. Jeff, I think you have some information on your website that people may find helpful. My website has it as well. So my law firm's website is sechlerlawfirm.com, SECHLER lawfirm.com. Jeff, maybe you want to give them yours as well.
Yeah, sure. We're at BellomoAssociates.com. So B as in boy, ELLOMO, ASSOCIATES.com.
Wonderful. Well, thank you guys so much for your time, and tune in with us next week. Thank you so much for both for your time today.
Thanks.
Looking forward to it.